Meet Animator, the browser-first AI whiteboard animation maker built to turn ideas into clear, engaging videos. Create whiteboard animations for lessons, training, product demonstrations, YouTube videos, online courses, presentations, and visual storytelling directly in your browser. There is nothing complicated to install, no expensive desktop software, no steep learning curve. Animator combines AI storyboarding, talking characters, text-to-speech, animated illustrations, Lottie animations, screen recording, and a powerful timeline editor in one connected workspace. Start with a simple prompt. AnimatorAI can help structure your story, plan your scenes, generate visual explanations, and place content onto the timeline. You remain in control, with the freedom to edit every scene, element, animation, voiceover, and transition. Unlike traditional slide-based tools, Animator uses a flexible, multi-track timeline. You can precisely control when objects appear, how long they remain visible, and how each part of your story unfolds. A course creator building educational content, a business producing training videos, or a creator growing a YouTube channel, Animator helps you communicate visually. Animator is free to start, with unlimited projects and professional creative tools available when you need them. Stop wrestling with complicated animation software. Open your browser, build your story, and bring your ideas to life with Animator.